Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, the generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fog lights fuse is located, two fuses that you need to check in, two different fuse boxes, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way guys, you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So now guys, what we have here specifically, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Escape where you can expect to find the fog lights fuse. Now, this is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version, it should work on both. We will guys, explain that you have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today will work actually in 2. The first one is on the passenger side, on the inside. Open the door. Here, if you look under the glove box, on the bottom of it, you will find that underneath the dash, you will have one soft black carpet liner, attaches with 2 turning knobs. Unscrew them, remove it. You will get to the interior fuse box here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the fog lights, which fuse you need to check here specifically, you need to check one fuse here, then we need to go to a different fuse box. And the fuse that we need to check, the fuse numbers are listed next to the fuses in the top right corner. The fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 75, that 15 amp fuse. This right here guys is a fog lights fuse. Now, next you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood on your Ford Escape, facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box right here under this cover. Open it and you will find guys that you have the engine management fuse box here. Now here, that's towards the back side, towards the windshield. We will need to check one more fuse specifically for fog lights, and this is fuse number 44. So that's 42, 3, 4. You may have this fuse right here depending on the year model. Check these 2 fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.